Good afternoon, everybody. I thought I would come on and show you a little shopping video. Those of you who watch my live know that last Saturday I had a very bad attack of shopping and went quite a few places and got quite a few things. I've been on a spending freeze and it just kind of went away, and then yesterday I had to go out for some errands, and I had some things I wanted, and it just so happened that I was near another Dollar Tree, and I've been trying to find this ribbon for some of the girls who can't find it, and this was the 5th Dollar Tree that I finally went to. So I did find some, and there's some happy mail going to a couple people now, because I got both the copper on the white and the copper on the cream and some more feathers, and I bought all they had, which wasn't a lot, but it was some, and that I was real pleased because now I can send it to them. And then they had this cute little pumpkin ribbon. It's brown with copper, which I thought was real pretty, and I thought would go in my little fall journal, and I might even use it as some kind of closure or something in the end. I haven't decided what I'm going to do about that. It's not real fat, so it really doesn't have to have a big closure, but it was so cute. And for $1 now, there's never as much ribbon on here as in some, but there's 3 yards, so that's pretty good for $1. Was that 33 cents a yard? So I was able to get those things at Dollar Tree. And then I had on my agenda Saturday, when I went to Joann's, I had a 50% off coupon, and this was on sale on Saturday, and they won't let you use your 50% off coupons. So I knew that's usually the ads end Saturday. So this is a different scoring board, and I'm hoping against hope I like this one, because the other one I bought I do not like. It's backwards. This one appears to be correctly oriented. I was real pleased that it has the angle on it, because sometimes you do want to pull an angle. So I thought I'm going to try it out, but because I had a 50% off thing, I went ahead and got it. What was fun is that it gave me this really giant sheet of heavy tagboard and this great big piece of plastic I'm going to have to come up with some uses for. But I also had, besides the 50% off coupon, I had a 20% off coupon on sale items or regular items. And all of their fall and Halloween stuff is on special right now. And so I had not gotten a few things the day before because I wasn't going to pay even the sale prices for them. And now, if you saw Sunday, you know I did not need any napkins, but these napkins were 60% off, so with my extra 20% off, it brought them down to just $1 or so each. And there again, they're sort of fall, and I don't have a lot of fall stuff. And then these, I couldn't pass these up. These were so cute. Let's see about getting them out of there. But like I said, when they were only 40% off on Saturday, and yesterday they were 60% off. So I was willing to take them for 60 plus my extra 20. And they're little wooden shapes, you know, and I probably will use one in my little book, and I have some other things I want to do that's fall. I know everybody's kind of past fall, but I'm still involved in fall because we haven't had any fall yet. So And then Mary and Lisa have been using, that's Mary from the Mary LTA and Lisa from Lisa My Eclectic Life. They've been using these wooden shapes on their jelly plate, and I really liked this one. And like I said, it was, I think, $2.99. It was half off, so that made it $1.50, and then I got another 20%, so it was pretty reasonable. And I thought, if I don't use it, if I don't particularly like it on the jelly plate, then I can always do some mixed media piece with it. So now those were little things, but I went around, I was looking at all of the different fall stuff, and these were on the fall end cap and priced at 50% off. And this one is all metallics, and these sets, these are folk art sets, and they're usually around $16, so they were marked down to $8.50, I think, and then I got an extra 20% off. And this is all metallics. This is even metallic black, and silver and gold and copper, bronze. What is this one? This one is pearl. So those were all metallics, and then these are just fall colors. Now it says outdoor, and you know as well as I do that it doesn't matter. These are fall colors, and you can always use orange, red, and yellow, but these ended up being right around $7, so that's $1 a bottle, and you know the metallics are considerably more expensive. So I was real pleased to get these. But this set, and these are $3 something or more, and these were like around $1 a bottle, but these are around $3.50 or $3.60 at Hobby Lobby. And these are the marbling paints, and I've been wanting to try them to see how they behaved. And there's your basic red, yellow, and blue. They've got orange, white, and black, so it gives you a lot of options for trying, and I couldn't believe I got them for that price. So guys, if your Joann store hasn't sold completely out all their fall stuff, you might want to peek in there and see what they've got. After Joann's, we went to another little store we have that's called Dirt Cheap, and I know I did not need any more napkins, and these are not big packages because the full price on this was $1.97, and this one full price was $1.50. But this is copper. Now the back side of it is not the metallic, so I'm guessing that there's just one panel that's metallic. But you have to, I'll tell you how much I spent when I get done, because their prices are 40, 50, 60% off of whatever they're tagged. So you never, until you get to the register, you kind of don't know what you're paying, but you know roughly. So I got 2 sets of napkins that I did not need, but I had to get anyways. We have a friend that makes sugar skulls, beads out of glass, and we saw that, and it was like half off the $1, so that was 50 cents. And then yesterday was Veterans Day, so Jeff got an extra 10% off, so that's you know, less than 50 cents. And that's just for a little gift, some Happy Mail. And then this, I saw this at the last minute, and I wouldn't normally have gotten this because the last thing I need in the world is fabric, and apparently that's going to be sticky, so I'm not going to be able to get it out of there right now. But it's got little skeletons on it. And let me see if I can show you better. So I kind of just had to have it. I figured if nothing else, I can use it in a journal or something. And then I got these, and I really didn't need these, but I thought they might be fun on the jelly plate. I'll have to make sure to save this piece of packaging. It's got a cute little spider on it. But these are like those paper doilies. Let's see if that shows any better. There. And I thought they were just really pretty for the possibility on the jelly plate. They were just cute. And the thing it was is that for this entire pile right here, for all 5 of these things, I paid $2.68. So I didn't need napkins, and I didn't need anything. Of course, I didn't need paint either, because I stocked up on paint, but I couldn't pass up the paint at Joann's. I was tempted to go back and get some more, but all they had more of was this fall color set. I got the last 2 of the last marble and the last metallic. So I just wanted to pop in and show you what I got, and I hope everyone is having a great day. I want to give you a quote from my little creativity book. The creative person is an expert in having accidents. That is really true. The creative person is an expert in having accidents. I think sometimes happy accidents are the best things. So anyways, you guys have fun. Go make some art. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.